In this video, we'll go through some intermediate features of Heycollab. If you have not watched the beginner video or had a chance to work in Heycollab, I'd strongly recommend doing that first. Assuming you've created a team in Heycollab, invited your teammates, and created and assigned tasks, we'll now look at ways to make your workflow more efficient. Since we are all on the go, Heycollab allows you to create tasks directly from your email. You'll need an email address to get started, and here's how to get it. Right-click on the workspace to which you want to create your tasks and click Workspace Email. Next, copy the email to task link. Now paste that email into your To field. The subject line will become the name of the task. The copy of the email will show up in the task description and attachments will be added to the task. In Heycollab, all tasks from email will be saved under a newly created column labeled Tasks from Email. You can do the same with messages. Copy the email to message email address and follow the same instructions. Ever wonder how much time and money were spent on a project? In Heycollab, pulling a time report for your team on a specific project is easy. Access the Time Workspace timesheet here and see how much time and money was spent broken down by weeks. You can even export it as a CSV file. Do you want to take it a step further and see a similar report for your entire team, including all workspaces? Just access the company team-wide timesheet here. When inputting time on a task, if you don't want to track via a timer, but rather input a specific time range and dollar amount, right-click on a task, add time report, and click on Add Session manually. Now, select the date and time range and add your description. Lastly, input a value for your dollar amount, which will be calculated hourly. If you've defined a workflow and you want the same workflow to be applied to other workspaces, in Heycollab, we've got templates that will allow you to do just that. I have these columns and tasks in this workspace that I want to be replicated in a different workspace. All I need to do is access templates and save this board as a template. Now, I can create a brand new workspace or access a workspace that I have created and apply the template I saved to this workspace. Ever needed to duplicate a columns and tasks to other workspaces? In Heycollab, click here to duplicate the column. Next, select which workspace this should go in, and you're done. To duplicate or move a single task, right-click on a task and select Move or Duplicate Task. In Heycollab, you can attach several tasks to messages. To do so, compose your message and click on the Attach Task link. Now, select the workspace you want to attach tasks from and send your message. Members of this workspace will now be able to open these tasks directly from the messaging area. You can also copy a task link or a subtask link and paste it in another workspace or outside of the platform. Lastly, Heycollab allows you to organize your files in folders with subsections and attach one or multiple folders to messages, to tasks, subtasks, and task comments. Now, sending 1 or 100 files is easy and keeps everyone organized. There's a lot more that you can do with Heycollab. And if you would like to learn more advanced techniques, I encourage you to watch the Quickstart Advanced demo for next steps.